Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name is Racquel Henry, founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So today the theme on the IG page is all about it being a beautiful thing when you give credit and praise to others' work, but also don't forget to do the same for yourself. And the reason I'm saying this to you all is because I am one of those people. I tend to share everything I can when it comes to other writers' work, and I love being able to talk about it. I love being able to possibly get somebody else to pick up another author's book, and then I forget about my own work. So I wanted to make this video to remind you that your work is just as worthy of praise and recognition. And don't forget to tell other people about your work too. I want to know about your work. So always remember to share it. Keep sharing your fellow colleagues' work, but also share yours as well. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.